everyone. Good day to all my dear Vedantu students. Here I am going to take a demo video section about science from class 6 to class 8. Before the section, let me introduce myself. I am Priya and I am from Kanjipuram. I am pursuing a degree of computer science in Pachapas Women's College. Teaching is my passion. Why if I like teaching means I believe that a good student can produce by a good teacher. Because today's students, tomorrow leaders. That's why I inspired to become a teacher. Before the section, students be free and feel free to ask any question and doubt, and trust me, I will there for you at any time. Let's go into the section. Here I'm take about measurement. It actually referred from 6th book, first term. What do you all think about measurement? Measurement is only a science? No. Measurement is not only a science. It is a daily needs to our day-to-day life. If you walk, it's a measurement. If you eat, it's a measurement. If you drink, it's also a measurement. Now, let's see the definition of measurement. The comparison of known quantities with unknown quantities is called a measurement. Measurement also has three units: length, mass, and time. How we can measure the quantities? Using tool and unit. Now let's see the length. The definition of length is the distance between one point to other desired point is called the length. Length also has a standard unit called meter. It represents by small letter m. Things can be measured by length. We can measure length of pencil, length of board, length of floor, length of table, and we can measure anything by length. Now let's see a small example. Now we want to find the length of pencil. What are the things we need? Before I said tools and units. Now take the tool. The tool is scale. The unit is centimeter. Now place the scale at the tip of the pencil and measure the length. The length of the pencil is 17.5 centimeter. Here, centimeter is the unit. Now we found the length 17.5 centimeter. Likewise, you can measure anything by length. Now you want to measure school to home. How can you measure by scale? No. By scale is not possible and it is too difficult to. By you measuring a distance between school and home by kilometers, because it is a larger distance and it can be measured by kilometers. If example, your school is away from your home at 3 or 4 kilometers. Likewise, you can measure distance by kilometers. Let's see about mass. What is the definition of mass? Mass is the measure of amount of matter in an object. The standard unit of mass is kilogram. It can be represented by kg. Okay, now we can do an example. Students, can we able to do this example? Okay. All of you take one paper in an hand and take note on other hand. Now check which hand feels heaviness. Yes, left hand feel heaviness because the mass of the book is more than the mass of paper. Like this, you can check any weight of things roughly. See another example. If someone asking you what is your mass, you how can you say in gram? No, you can say in kilogram because it would be a huge number. Likewise, you can measure another quantities with metric tons and tons because the bigger quantities are measured by tons and metric tons. In this, we use to measure beam balance to measure the vegetables and fruits and etc. And nowadays we using electronic beam balance to measure the weight of fruits and vegetables. Okay, now let's see about time. Day is changed to night, night is changed to day, and season also change. That like time also change. How can we measure time? We can measure time using clock, and also we can use pulse to measure the time roughly. The SI unit of time is second. It can be represented by SEC. Now, in olden days, the peoples are using sand clocks, shadow clocks, and more than. Okay, students, let me recap the section. First, what we see, measurement. Measurement has three units: length, mass, and time. What is the length? The distance between one point to other point. The unit of length is meter, and it can be represented by small m. The other one is mass. It can be represented by kilogram. It denoted by kg. And the third one is time. It can be represented by second. It denotes SEC. Okay, okay, students. I hope you all understand this class. Please don't hesitate to ask any doubt and questions about related to this lesson. Thank you.